and Friends, Season 10, Episode 3, Double Engine Trouble. Benno and Cheeto are tank engine twins. They both have 4 wheels at each end, and they work at the nice quarries. But this makes the twins naughty when it's hot. "That's my line of trucks," said Benno. "Snot is mine." "It's over there." "Mine, Snot. It's mine, Snot." Then their friend Lanny came in. "Stop quarrelling, you two, or the only thing that you'll have left to share is trouble." Silly yourself." But Benno and Cheeto, behave yourselves. It's keen that we need a new diesel to help. "If I were you," said Lanny quietly, "I'll get back to work." "I hope the diesel does not cause any more trouble. He's bound to have teething troubles. Engine troubles," he meant, and he was right. "Oh, my grease and oil," said the diesel. "Oh, what's happening?" "Wheel!" "Bother," he groaned. Then Lanny came to the rescue. "I'm sorry," said the diesel. "My name's Harv, and I have engine troubles." "You better be careful of the twins that you're looking after." Dude, this news spread across the line. "He has teething trouble. He has engine troubles," said Emily to Percy. "You two lot, you better be careful because this engine has an engine problem." "Why does Percy want to get us good luck?" "Because he knows you'll need it." That must be the worst diesel of all." Soon, their work manager came to go say something to them. "You two, you'll take your trucks to the harbour and then sleep there. There's a lot of work to do." They gone to go get their freight cars. They shunted their trucks and went to their sheds as fast as they can. Chugga. "You two look glum," said Duck. "It's the new diesel's fault," said Cheeto. "He has engine problems." "Oh, you mean he has engine troubles in his engine? You work by steam, but in a different way. But that makes you special." So he just wants to make a new impression and make you two happy. Benno and Cheeto looked to each other and went to sleep as fast as they can. Next day, Benno and Cheeto were there when they heard an amphibian horn. "Boo, boo!" "Oh no! It's the new diesel!" they both said. "Boo, boo! Boo, boo!" "Hello, you two. My name is Harv, the friendly diesel. You can just call me Harv for short. I'll soon get this train working. I pull from the back while you pull it from the front." Those 2 engines were surprised. "What fun," they said. Soon they got to work. Soon they got everything working well, but until they reached the hill, everything started to change. Push harder, you silly Diesel, said Zito. But the Diesel could not push harder. I'm overheat again. Woo! Sorry, said Harv. I overheated again. You think you can pull the train with the Diesel? Said Benno and Zito's drivers. We'll try, and they did. Ben and Zito made it home. He said quietly, I'm sorry I teased you. It doesn't matter. But that Diesel is kind of nice, said Benno and Zito. And he is a good friend. You know what friends say? What? Said Benno and Zito. Good night to each other. They did say good night, but they all chatted about engine problems. The end.